we're gonna get busy, you guys. So I'm gonna make this very, very simple for you because this is really easy to do, and I love 3D cards, and so it's so simple. You can even tell I even use some of my new washi tape in here. You could keep this plain. You could do this red. This is the new Teresa Collins favorite. Oh my gosh, do you guys love my nails? Squirrel, I love it. You guys, these are so cute. I told Taylor I have not been to get my nails done since March, and these are all press-on. I'm actually saving money during the quarantine because these press-on nails are only like $13.
Kind of true.
And I love it. So anyway, squirrel. Okay, this is from Favorites. Okay, you guys, so this was just regular Teresa Collins, really nice. This is the new paper. You can use whatever paper you have. This is the You Are Brave, Bold, and Beautiful. So when I cut this for my card here, I want to give you the measurement because it is 6.5 inches high, and I'm gonna so write this down because then you can have it. So mine is 6.5 inches high if you want to make your card from scratch, and the width is, oh gosh, I just broke my heart. Oh my gosh.
Did you break your heart?
It's okay, you guys. We're just gonna pretend like that didn't break. Okay, there we go. So this is 9.5 inches wide. So 9.5 inches wide. This is, and then the inside is 6.5 inches. And this is a separate piece, you guys. This is a separate piece of white cardstock. Okay? So for this, you would cut a piece of white cardstock. And I'm just gonna take this. Can you get the ruler for me, babe? I mean the trimmer right beside you. So we're gonna cut this because we want it to be this size right here. Okay, so this is what we're cutting the piece here, and I'm just gonna cut another one just to do it with you. Okay, so you're gonna take it, and you want, I think UPS lives at our house, you guys. This is like the fourth or fifth delivery. That's what happens when you're quarantined and your packages are coming to your house instead of your office. Okay, so this is, I just kind of want to show you, this is 5.5 inches tall. So you just want, and this is going to be wide exactly this 8.5 inches. So I don't even need to cut this. This is 8.5 by, this is a white piece of cardstock. And then I need it to be 5.5 inches tall. So I'm gonna just take this and I'm gonna do 5.5 inches. And I will give you that measurement again, you guys. So this is 5.5 inches tall. Right there, 5.5. And then the width is 8.5. So you can just use a regular white piece of cardstock. And just because of time, I would normally score this really good, but I'm just gonna fold it over. Let's just pretend I scored that right in half, okay, you guys? So then you have a card that looks like this, okay? That makes sense. Now, what you're gonna do to get the heart is I just free-handed a heart, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. So you're gonna want the folded edge is where you're gonna draw it. So the folded edge, you're gonna draw a heart. And you can make it as big, but you're gonna give a little bit of space. So I actually should have done this up a little bit. So when I cut this out, so do it more like this, because you wanna have the edge here, up here, but you want a space here because you don't wanna cut right here and here, you guys, because this is where it's gonna connect. And that is why we did it on here, okay? So hopefully take a photo. You can watch this again. I'm sure there's other ways to do this. This is just how I did it, and you know, so hopefully that makes sense. So you're gonna take it, and I hope you like these lives. I know
Okay, this heart cutting thing right here totally gives me a Valentine's Day grade school flashback, because that's what I would do.
What do you mean?
Fold it over and cut it right there like that.
Yeah.
That's my only experience.
So you're trying to say that I'm reminding you of your school teacher? Am I going too far? Okay, so you guys, I cut it. I cut all the way. And if you don't like your handwriting, I know what you're gonna say is then take a template of a heart that you like. I did mine, I like mine tall and skinny, as you can see here. So that if you can kind of see, that's how I did mine. Okay, so then you can see that I did not cut in between these two. Do not cut right here, you guys. And then, once you open it up, voila! Guess what? You have a dimensional, it should look like this. You open it up, and you have a dimensional heart. Look how cute that is, you guys. Look how cute that is. So then, I just put some of my favorites washi tape here. You could have done a different color. And then, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just take it, and when you, actually I'm just gonna cut this. I'm gonna show you because I don't want anybody to be confused, and sometimes I know I go really fast because I don't want to, you know, and so I'm gonna do 8.5 inches wide. Okay, so you guys, you're gonna cut it the width. This has a border, but if you want it to line up exactly, I'm just gonna do this a different way to show you. So then I'm gonna fold this. This is 8.5, and I just realized I did not cut all the way down. There's a little white showing, that's gonna bother me. And you guys, I am in love with this new paper. Well, I should say this is the tiny leopard and my favorites. Okay, so does that make sense, you guys? So this is the exact same size. This is 5.5 inches tall, and the width is 8.5 inches. And then you're gonna take this. This is Glossy Accents. If you're coming to the Create Your Story in person or virtually, I highly recommend getting some of this. You can get it online, you can get it at Michael's, you can get it at Hobby Lobby, you can get it at...
Probably Amazon for all you know, right?
I think I did say Amazon,
I'm not sure.
but I love, this is my favorite liquid adhesive other than the Teresa Collins one I did with Xyron. That was even, I'm gonna be honest, I love that. So there is a good possibility I'm gonna be doing mine again. We sold out. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna line this up with exactly, if you wanna do it this way. And so notice how I just put adhesive on the 4 edges, you guys. I did it on the 4 edges. And again, I normally wouldn't recommend doing it with wet adhesive. I'm just trying to, look how cute that is.
That's not great.
Right?
I feel like I like the border.
Well, I do like the border, but I was trying to be fast, babe.
No, it's good.
Babe.
Just pull it
Hey,
down so you can see hole.
Okay, so, but here, they could also, here's another thing. So this is just me. Okay, I love to write. So I would go when I go love you, I love you, you are loved. And then I would just write all over this card, love you very, so I always say make it personalized very much. And then love. I'm being creative just to show you what you could do if you didn't want to do washi tape, like, if that makes sense. You are loved. Love. And now I'm gonna put a big love down here. Okay, does that make sense, you guys? That was very, very fast, just showing a little impromptu journaling. So I'm gonna show you. So what I did, that was a great question. So I'm just gonna take a little washi tape just to show you. So I took the washi tape and I put it on top. And I just fold it under. So let me show you the back side. I deliberately left the back side messy so you could see. Can you see that? You can see, oh my gosh, Brian. So you can see the washi underneath it, but you can make it look a lot better. But I just wanted to show you how I put the washi on here, and I basically folded it going in the back. Can you see that?
Yep.
And that kind of explains it. So that was me doing it very, very fast. But had I been really giving this to somebody like today, I knew that we were going to be doing our fun little 3D card. That's how you do it. So thank you for joining today. We love you so much. Love you guys.